Pin etching is one of the newest and most modern ways to duplicate photographs on stone. The process begins with a standard photograph being scanned into an editing software like Photoshop, where it is manipulated and prepared for the computerized machine. Once complete, the stone is prepared and the etching machine begins the automated process. Diamond etching tips work with laser precision to chip away at the polished granite, leaving just enough material to reveal the image. Each picture takes between 30 minutes and up to 5 or 6 hours to complete, depending on the size and the resolution of the original image. The result is a beautifully duplicated photo on stone that will last for generations to come. Create your legacy today at PatentMichiganMonuments.com.